Your solution is here. Introducing AMSOIL 15W-40 commercial-grade diesel oil. This advanced synthetic blend features more than 50% synthetic content, ensuring powerful protection for your engine. You'll experience 2 times the wear protection compared to standard oils. Imagine keeping your trucks and equipment running smoothly, no matter the conditions. This oil excels in extreme temperatures, providing reliable startups and maintaining engine efficiency. Plus, it offers unbeatable value, ensuring you get the best performance without breaking the bank. What sets AMSOIL apart is its unique formula that minimizes viscosity changes and keeps soot particles suspended, preventing wear-causing buildup. Don't wait any longer. Upgrade to AMSOIL 15W-40. Commercial-grade diesel oil today for ultimate engine protection and performance. Click the link below to order now.